just did a bleak call and had a coyote come in. I shot it. It looked like it dropped its legs, so I know I hit it and kind of dropped over the hill. It's 7:45. It's snowing. Pretty good. I can't believe how far this coyote went. I'm about almost 100 yards from the field. And he's still bleeding pretty good. I'm still following it. As soon as I started piling through those briars, he jumped up in the next set of briars about 30 yards over. I think he was bedded down, about to go, and I pushed him. So I'm just going to let it be. That kind of confirms with me that he's going to die. He wouldn't lay down 100 yards from the field after being shot. Unless he was going, I don't think. So I'm gonna jump back up here, sit for another hour or two. May or may not try to go find him after that. We'll see. Do it this morning. It's about 11 o'clock now. Haven't seen anything since I shot that coyote. It could have something to do with it, but super windy. I'm hoping it calms down. If so, I'm gonna try to get back up in a tree this afternoon. It's supposed to stay pretty cold. I think the high is like 42, so ought to be a good day to be out here with the rut kicking in. They should be chasing by now, so I'm gonna go eat. Get back out. Alright, well, didn't end up seeing anything worth shooting coming out other than those does and spike. Those 2 yearlings and I guess their mom. Didn't really want to shoot. There's some other does coming in there without yearlings, so I might try again, try to get another doe. I was really trying not to shoot anything, you know, because the rut's upon us. I mean, it's right on our, you know, it's should be kicked in by now, if not within the next few days. Seeing a lot of scrapes, rubs, really fresh ones. So really didn't want to try to shoot a doe and then, you know, it spook a good buck off. So I may, you know, if I see another one and it gets down to the wire, I may shoot one, because I've only shot one doe this season and I'm a meat eater. We eat a lot of meat, a lot of deer meat. So probably not going to let a whole lot more walk if I see them. But just going to keep after it and going to get out there tomorrow, try to hunt all day. It's supposed to be some rain, probably midday, so I'm going to hunt in the morning, maybe right after the rain in the afternoon, all the way till dark. So we'll see how it goes. It's been a tough deer season. Last few years, I've usually laid 1 or 2 bucks down by now. So I'm a little worried this season, but I'm not going to give up. I'm just going to keep on grinding, see if we can make it happen.